Hello student. Today we learn next part from the chapter number 7. See, which is given on page number 52. Vitamins, their sources and functions. See, vitamins are of various types, that is vitamin A, vitamin B. In B again their subgroup B1, B2 up to B12. Then vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. Okay, and these all vitamins we get from different food sources, and their functions are obviously different. See, first one, vitamin A. See, vitamin A helps in protects eyes, helps to keep skin, bones and teeth healthy. Okay, with the help of vitamin A. And sources from where vitamin A we get for our body, that from carrot, milk, butter, dark green vegetables, sweet potatoes, deep yellow fruits and vegetables. See here also some types of vitamins picture also given. Then sources we seen. Then deficiency, when there is a lack of these sources, then there obviously we got deficiency in vitamin A. The deficiency diseases are night blindness, that is inability to see in dim light, as well as Eroderma, that is dry skin. These are the deficiency diseases occur due to the lack of vitamin A. Then vitamin B1, it helps in proper functioning of nervous and heart. And sources are milk, fish, meat, cereals, nuts, pulses. And deficiency diseases are beriberi, that nerve disorder and muscle weaknesses, as well as inefficiency. Okay, then vitamin B9 helps in growth of body, and sources are deep green vegetable, papayas, kiwis. And deficiency diseases, improper growth, that occur anemia, then forgetfulness, then slow movements. Okay, next vitamin B12 helps in formation of red blood cells, and sources are meat, milk products. And due to deficiency of B12 vitamin, we got deficiency diseases as like anemia. Then vitamin C helps in protects body tissues, formation of collagen, a protein essential for gums, teeth, and bones and skin. And sources are amla, kiwi, oranges and other citrus fruits, cabbage, tomatoes, green leafy vegetables. And deficiency diseases are scurvy, that means bleeding of gums, thyroid malfunction, delay in healing of wounds. Okay, then vitamin D helps in absorb calcium and phosphorus for healthy bones and teeth. And sources are on exposure to sunlight. Vitamin D is made in the human body from some substances in milk, fish, eggs and butter also. Then deficiency diseases are rickets, means softening of the bones, causing pain and fractures. Then vitamin E helps in smooth functioning of metabolism inside the cells, reproduction, maintaining efficiency of muscle cells. And sources are with green leafy vegetables, tender leaves, vegetable oils. And deficiency diseases are weak muscles, absorption or obstacle in reproduction, skin disorders. Okay, then vitamin K helps in clotting of blood. And sources are green leafy vegetables, green cabbage, broccoli, sprouted pulses, yellow of eggs. and deficiency diseases. C, excessive bleeding after an injury. Okay, that's we today learn about information about the vitamins, their sources and functions, as well as due to lack of these vitamins which diseases we get occur. All of this information we have studied today. So student, our body maintain healthy and fit, we take proper diet. Okay student, and see, always remember, some vitamins are very sensitive to heat and light. For example, vitamin C is easily destroyed during cooking. Therefore, vitamin C rich food should be eaten raw. Okay, vitamin C food should be eaten raw, means which, that one, amla, kiwi, see, oranges and other citrus fruits, these eat as a raw. Okay, tomato, as well as cabbage, green leafy vegetables also. So student, today we will stop here.